Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial where we'll be guiding you on how to schedule Instagram posts using Meta Business Suite. This will be on desktop. So currently you can see we're on business.facebook.com, and of course you want to make sure you're connecting to Instagram. So you need to click on connect to Instagram and then fill in your details in order for that to be completed. Then once you're done, you're going to come over to the left side panel, click on planner. Then right here, you see some dates. And then of course, you're going to say create or schedule. So we're going to click on schedule. Then here you can see schedule posts, schedule story, create reel, schedule ad. So let's click on say schedule posts. Then of course on this pop-up, you'll need to set the date and the time to be exact, and then you can go ahead and click on save. So after clicking on save, you can scroll through and then you'll be able to put in your details. At the top, you can see post to, and right here, you can see that we've not connected our Instagram, which is the first thing we told you to do. So once you do that, all will be good and ready. So you can go ahead and select your Instagram account, put in the media, the text, and all that is necessary for your post according to your design. And then on the right side, you will see the post preview. Then once that's done, you see the schedule button come up. So once you click on schedule, the time which you selected will be locked in for posting in the future.